For nearly 50 years, nestled in the countryside of South Auckland, tens of thousands from around Aotearoa and the globe chug over to the world-famous Glenbrook Vintage Railway. Set 45 minutes from downtown Auckland, the Glenbrook Vintage Railway, or GVR as it's fondly known, has a proud history of whānau fun, from rail tours across this beautiful whenua of ours, to our Day Out with Thomas and the County's Power Christmas train lights. The GVR is New Zealand's premier heritage railway, but now we desperately need your help.
Due to Covid-19, the railway cannot survive any longer in its current size without our essential employed staff. Enabling our volunteers, our small team of 4 essential staff provides solid foundation in rail operations, engineering and risk management. They also provide the leadership and coordination necessary to run a rail operation in today's environment. If we are unable to raise the funds required to meet our operating and maintenance costs, we will lose our staff and the Glenbrook Vintage Railway will face at least 12 months of no operation and a very bleak future beyond that.
We take our trains to you, hauling trips and tours around the country, connecting Auckland with the regions. Our passionate volunteer team is from all walks of life, mix of ages, genders and cultures. In fact, more than half of them are under 35.
We are now asking for your help. With your support through these tough times, we'll be able to help rebuild New Zealand's domestic tourism industry and continue to provide much-loved family events and activities.
Our trains have carried more than 1.5 million passengers over our 50 years, but our train is ready to head down a new line. Please don't let 50 years of dedication and hard work go to waste.
We're absolutely committed to serving our fantastic community and fighting back against the effects of COVID-19.